Hello, this is Richard from WebEasy Websites. Today I'm going to teach you how to log into your WordPress website. Okay, so here's my site and I'm not logged in. So I go up to the URL, which is the address bar, and at the end of that I do a /WP, which is WordPress, -admin, hit enter, and this will take us to the login page for your dashboard for your WordPress website. Mine has the saved username and password, but you'll just need to put those in and hit login. But before we do that, let's go back and I'll show you another way. This time we'll do a / and we'll just write login, hit enter, and we're at the login page. Now let's go back, and there's another way. We can just type in admin and that should take us to the login page. And if I've created your website, you can scroll down to your footer, down to the footer menu, and right down the bottom you'll see login. You click on that, that's a shortcut to the login page. Okay, we hit login, and this will take us to the dashboard, which is the back end of our WordPress website. Okay, so just to recap, in our address bar, we can type in /WP-admin, or we can just type in /login, or we can just type /admin. All of those will take us to our login page. And if I created your website, you can go down to the footer menu and you can just click login, and that's a shortcut to the login page.